Hello everyone, welcome back to my accountancy class for higher secondary second year commerce. In the last class we have solved a question from 2017 final year question paper for receipts and payment account, and I think all of you have understood it well and have tried some of the questions at your home. So in that class we are going to solve another question for the final year question paper in 2015. Okay, so let's start our class, and the question that we are going to solve today is that the Assam Cricket Club had a cash and bank balance of rupees 1600 and rupees 20,000. That means whenever we start a receipts and payment account for any non-trading organization, first we need opening balance. Okay, opening balance of cash in hand and opening balance of cash at bank. Okay, so here for the Assam Cricket Club, the cash balance was rupees 1600 and bank balance was rupees 20,000 on 1/4/2013. Okay, that means the opening date was 1/4/2013. So the ending date of the accounting year is 31st March 2014. Okay, as it started on 1/4/2013, so at the end of the year, it means the accounting year ends on 31st March 2014. So this is our accounting year. So all the receipts and all the payments that the organization have done in this period, we have to record it in our receipts and payment account. So stop from the following information, prepare receipts and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2014. So at the end of the year, and the items are, first one is the donation received rupees 18,000. Okay, so donation received rupees 18,000. We know what is donation, so it is a receipt for the non-trading organization, so it come in the receipt side. Next, entrance fees received. So entrance fees means any fees that is paid by the member of the organization at the time of the joining. Okay, so it is a receipt for the non-trading organization, or you can say that it is an income for the non-trading organization. Next, donation received for building rupees 90,000. So the term donation received for building rupees 90,000 means that it is a capital receipt, because here the term, here we receive donation, here the club received donation for the construction of a building. So the club cannot incur that amount for any other activity. He have to incur this amount for the construction of building. So it is a capital receipt, but receipts and payment account includes both capital receipts and revenue receipts. So it is a receipt for the non-trading organization. Next one is the furniture purchased. Okay, so furniture purchased means the club had purchased one furniture from outside. Okay, this means that they made payment for that, but it is a capital payment. Okay, because furniture are purchased, that means assets are purchased, so it is a payment for the non-trading organization, so it comes in the payment side. Next, salary paid for the year rupees 10,500. Okay, that means for the year means for 1/4/2013 to 31st March 2014. In that period they have made payment for 10,500 as salary. Okay, so whenever they pay salary, that means they paid, it is a payment, so it comes in the payment side. Next, salary paid in advance rupees 2,000. So that means the club had made advance payment to the staffs as salary. So if it is an accounting year, so if they paid advance, that means it is for the 2014-15. Okay, but in receipts and payment account we have a feature that is receipts and payment covering any period. That means whatever we have paid and whatever we have received in the current year, it is for the future year or it is for the past years, we have to record it in our receipts and payment account, because the payment is made in the current year and it affects the cash position at the current year. So it is a payment, so it comes in the payment side. Okay, as the payment is for the advance payment, but it comes in the payment side because the amount is paid in that year, it affects the cash position in that year. Next, repair to building. That means for the maintenance of the building, for the renovation of the building, they have incurred some amount as repair for repairing the building. So it is a payment for the non-trading organization, and the amount is rupees 1,500. Next one is the rent receipt. Okay, so as it is a club, they may have a auditorium, they may have a stadium, so from that they have received rent, so it is a receipt for the non-trading organization. Next, wages paid rupees 6,000. That means the club had paid some wages to the laborer, and it is a payment for the non-trading organization, so it comes in the payment side. Next one is the outstanding salaries. That means as in the current year they have paid 10,500 as salary, out of which or we can say that amount of rupees 1,500 as salary they have not paid yet. So it is a outstanding, they have to pay in future, but it is as they have not paid in the current year, so it is a not payment. It is an outstanding, as receipts and payment account excluded all the outstanding and prepaid items, so it will not come in the receipts and payment account. Next one is the depreciation on furniture, rupees 2,000. So term depreciation, we mean that the amount of value deduction from the asset. So it is a non-cash expenditure, but receipts and payment account includes all the cash receipts and cash payments. So it is a non-cash expenditure, so it will not come in the receipts and payment account. Next, maintenance grant. Maintenance grant is one kind of donation in order to maintain their daily activity, maintain their regular activity. So it is a monthly receipt for the non-trading organization, so it will come in the receipt side. Maintenance grant, that means the grant or the amount received for maintaining the organization. Okay. Next one is the subscription receipt. Okay, as we all know that subscription is one of the main source of income for non-trading organization. So it is a receipt, but here they have given the information. First one is the subscription receipt for 2012-13. As the current accounting period is 1/4/2013 to 31st March 2014, that means 13-14. But here the first item 2012-13. That means for 2012-13, the subscription receipt in the current year rupees 8,000. It is a not subscription income for the current year, but for the previous year. But the amount is received in the current year, so it will be included in the receipt side. Next one is the for current year they have received 25,000 as subscription, so it is also a receipt for the non-trading organization. It will also be recorded in the receipt side. Next one is the 2014-15. Okay, so if we notice, it is for the past year, it is for the current year, it is for the future year, but the amount, all the amount received in the current year, so all the three items will be included in the receipts and payment account. Next one is the life membership fees. It is also a receipt for the non-trading organization, so it will come in the receipt side. And the last, we need the balance of cash or balance of bank. So here it is given balance at bank as on 31st March 2014, 1,35,000. That means whatever the balance we find will be cash in hand at the end of the year. So this is the question that we are going to solve today. So note it. Okay, so let's start the solution. So you all know that receipts and payment account has two sides, that is receipt side and payment side. One amount column in both sides, debit, credit. So the top of the account we have to write the name of the organization. In the books of the name of the organization was Assam Cricket Club. Receipts and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2014. Okay, so it is a receipt side, receipts, payments. So first we started by opening balance of cash in hand and opening balance of cash at bank. So in the question we have find that is the opening balance of cash in hand. Opening balance of cash in hand was rupees 1,600 and cash at bank was rupees 20,000. So true balance VD. Cash in hand rupees 1600 and cash at bank rupees 20,000, and the sum of the both the term was 21,600. Okay. Next, donation received rupees 18,000. So it is general donation. So it comes in the receipt side to donation. Okay. So as it is a receipt side, so in receipt side, that whatever is the term, it denotes the receipt. So we can say, we can write donation receipt or only donation, and the amount is rupees 18,000. Okay. So it is not necessary to write receipt at all the times. Next, 2 entrance fees. So 2 entrance fees, because there is no need to write entrance fees receipts, because entrance fees denotes that the organization has received the entrance fees. So only entrance fees we can write, and the amount is 6,000. Next, donation received for building. So it is also received for the non-trading organization, to donation for building, and the amount is rupees 90,000. Okay. Next one is furniture purchased. So it will come in the payment side, because they have purchased furniture. By furniture purchased, by furniture purchased, and the amount is rupees 18,000. Amount is rupees 18,000. Next, by salary paid for the year. Okay, so by salary paid, not right, no need to write salary paid for the year, as it is a lengthy salary paid. Okay, or you can write salary paid for the year, and the amount is rupees 10,500. Next one is the salary paid in advance. So what the term salary paid in advance, but we can write advance salary, by advance salary, by advance salary, and the amount is rupees 2,000. Next, repair to building. That means for the renovation of the building, for the maintenance of the building, they have incurred some amount. So it is a payment by repair to building, and the amount is rupees 1500. Next, another term is rent receipt. Okay, so rent receipt is a receipt for the non-trading organization. It comes in the receipt side, to rent receipt. To rent receipt rupees 2,000. Okay, sorry, not 2,000, it is 1,500. 1,500. Next, wages paid. So it will come in the payment side, by wages paid, and the amount is rupees 6,000. Wages paid rupees 6,000. Next, outstanding salaries. So you can say, will it come or not? No, because outstanding salaries, as it is not paid yet, so it will not come in the payment side, or we can say that in reception payment account. Next one is the depreciation on furniture. Remember, depreciation is a non-cash expenditure. So as it is not related, as in that case we have not paid any amount to the outsiders, so it will not come in the reception payment account, because depreciation means only reduction in the value of the asset. It will not affect our cash position, so it will not come in the reception payment account, as it is a non-cash expenditure. Next one is the maintenance grant. That means the club had received certain amount on monthly basis, on periodical basis, for the maintenance of the organization. So it is a receipt for the non-trading organization. Whenever we find grant, that means it is a kind of receipt, or it is a kind of donation. So it comes in the receipt side, to maintenance grant, and the amount is rupees 900. Next one is the two subscription receipt. So in subscription receipt we find subscription receipt for 3 years, for the past year, for the current year, and for the future year. But all the amount for the 3 years received in the current year, so it affects our cash position in the current year. So it will, all the items will be recorded in the receipt and payment account. Two subscription. 2013, sorry, 2012-13. First one is the past year, 2012-13 for rupees 8,000. 2013-14 25,000, and 2014-15 1,000. That means whole of the amount of rupees 34,000. That means in the current year they have received total amounted to of rupees 34,000 as subscription. Next one is the life membership fees. So it will also come in the receipt side. So life membership fees, amount of rupees 4,000. Next, what we need? A balance at the end of the year, whether it is a cash balance or bank balance. So as in our question it is given as bank balance, bank balance CD, balance at bank, okay, rupees 90,000. So all the items we have recorded in our receipts and payment account. Now we have to tell. Now we have to balance all the both this side. Okay, so let's start. And the larger one you have to record in both sides. 21,600 plus 18,000. That means 39,600. 39,600 plus 6,000, 45,600. 45,600 plus 45,600 is the combination of these three items. 39,600 plus 45,600 plus 90,000. Okay, so 90,000. Next one is the 15, 19, 24, 2400, 2400, 6,400, 6,000, 40,400, 40,400. Okay, so now add all the three items. 0, 0, 4, 6, 0, 1 in hand, 5, 6, 4 and 13, 4, 70. It is 1,76,000. 0, 0, 6, 4, 0, 1, 5, 1, 6, 4, 9, 13, 13 plus 4, 70. 1,76,000 in the receipt side. Now add, sorry, the balance at bank at the end of the year was rupees 1,35,000. Okay, so by mistake I write 90,000. Now add in the parent side. 18,000 plus 10,500 was 28,500. 28,500 plus 2,000, 30,500. 30,000, 32,000, 38,000. 1,35,000 plus 38,000. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 13, 1, 6, 7, 1. 1,73,000. So we can say that we can find that receipt side was total of rupees 1,76,000 and the payment side 1,73,000. Okay, so the larger side was 1,76,000. 1,76,000 and the difference is 3,000. So this difference is called closing balance of cash in hand. Okay, and we write balancing figure. Okay, so I think in this question you have no confusion, and I'm saying again, try to solve some of the question from your question bank, from NCERT books, and any confusion regarding that you can call me or text me. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss some other question from receipts and payment account. As it is a lengthy chapter, we have to solve some of the question, more number of questions from this chapter. So till then, stay safe.